Chapter 1. What is animal communication exactly? Humans and animals are completely different species. Of course, our animals cannot speak our language, nor can we speak theirs. Therefore, we need to go beyond language. We need to interact at the telepathic level. The word telepathy has been taken from two Greek words, tele, distant, and pathos, feeling or experience or perception. It basically refers to the communication of information, thoughts, and ideas between two living beings, without using any of the known senses. You could even call it mind reading, clairvoyance, thought transference, or your sixth sense. An example of telepathy would be a couple who has been together for many years, completing each other's sentences. They are so attuned to each other that they can read the thoughts of their spouse, even before they say it. We do know that our pets communicate to us through physical actions, but they also communicate with each other and with humans telepathically. If you learn to listen, you will know exactly what they are trying to convey. When we are young, before our language develops, we communicate telepathically with the adults around us. But as we learn to use spoken language, our telepathic skills slowly disappear until we start developing them again. You may have lost the ability to communicate telepathically, but if you really love your pets and would like to take your communication to a higher level, you can relearn it. A spiritual force binds us and our animals together. This is the same force that binds each and every part of this universe. Our animals know when we are sick, happy, or sad. They just know how you are feeling. It's time we rediscover our telepathic skills and learn to tune into the feelings and thoughts of our animals. This is what animal communication is all about.